Hello friends, welcome back. Today is going to be a little bit different. I'm doing a Dollar Tree haul for resin crafting. So if you're interested in that, keep watching. If not, feel free to just hit that like button anyway and move along. Okay, starting out in their seasonal section, I found these. I don't know what they're made of, but they're very, very hard and sturdy. It might be some type of resin. I'm not sure. It doesn't say. I got 2 packs of these for coasters. So I got the starfish and the sand dollars. You get 3 per pack. And with that, also in the same section, they have this really beautiful blue sand. So I thought that would make wonderful summer coasters, since summer is pretty much here now. And then I hit up their crafters section and I went a little hog wild. I'm not gonna lie. I found these wooden laser cut things, and I kind of grabbed what I could of them, or what they had, I guess. And I am absolutely in love with these. So for these packs, you get 6 per pack, 2 of each of the different cuts. That's the word. So I got 2 packs of these stars because I thought they were gorgeous. 2 packs of these hearts. There are different hearts over here. They had 2 different types of leaves, so I grabbed 1 of each of those. I got these really pretty flowers, and then this is the second style of heart. So I'm very excited about these. We'll see what I end up putting them in. And then they also had words, laser cut words. So they had celebrate, memory, forever, magic, imagine, friend, and then a be mine. These come 3 to a pack. Not exactly sure what I'm planning to do with these just yet, but I'm sure I'll figure it out. And they had a few other words. I don't remember what they were, but I did not pick those up. I also picked up some stickers and stuff, but that's not really for crafting. But the last couple of things that I picked up the ship's wheel. This was actually in the same section as the shore living stuff, where I got this stuff from. So that's the seasonal section. So I grabbed that. And then I also grabbed one of their wooden trays so that I can do, you know, something in the tray, decorate it with resin somehow. I got this because one of my best friends just had a baby boy and his room is in nautical theme. I bought this at Walmart, so I'm probably going to do something to where I paint this brown and then make the anchor gray or something to go on top of it. I'm not sure yet. We'll figure it out when we get there. But anyway, that is my haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please hit that like button. If you enjoy this type of, well, if you enjoy resin or crafting, definitely subscribe, ring that bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Take care. Have a great day.